The next application on the list is Censys. Censys is a widely used search engine and data analytics platform that provides a comprehensive view of the internet and its connected devices. Censys is a particularly valuable tool as it offers insights into the composition, configuration, and usage of devices and networks, helping to identify security risks, vulnerabilities, and compliance issues in IT and OT systems. You can see here on the example that you can use labels. Labels provide the broad context about the host or a service. Some useful host labels are ICS, SCADA, login page, Open Directory, a network device. So let's see a live example. All right, go to Censys.io and click on the search button. You'll be redirected to this page. So search.censys.io. Now let's start searching for Modbus services. So some IPs that are running Modbus. So you can simply type service and then specify the protocol. And here we go. This is the set of results. You can also use the services.service name. So services, okay, that's it here. .service name. All right, and you can specify a set of services like backnet and Ethernet IP, for example. Right, and here are the results. So this one is running all of these protocols, including EIP, FTP, etc. Let's only use backnet, for example. Okay, here you go. All of these services are running the backnet. Now, under the services, you can specify the title of a page. So services.http.response.html title. All right, and let's say the title is Emerson Site Supervisor. All right, and let me make sure this is correct here to remove the space and put a colon. Let's see the results. All right, here are the set of the returned results. You can also search by service name. Like if you want to search for SSH, you can use services.service name and then SSH. So here are the servers or the IPs running SSH protocol. Now let's search by the vendor. You can use the services.software.vendor, and let's say I want to search for Siemens products. All right, so as you can see, this is like Siemens Simatic S7 1200, another 1200, etc. Here is another example. You can use location of country, Russia, and labels or the type of the system, remote access. Here is the result. Let's change the label to SCADA. I'm doing the same search. Okay, now I need to log in. But again, I think you get the message here.